Hello friends, in this lecture we will continue with pad tool and we will know about some more options in the pad. So if I go to this pad tool, click on this pad, we can see the first option it is highlighting is the type. So in the previous lecture we had learned about dimension type, and if I click on this arrow we have up to next, up to last, up to plane and up to surface. So we will learn about all these options. So to understand all these options in the detail, I click on this cancel and then go to file option, click on open. So in your project file, go to this option of up to next, click on this and click open. And then we can click on this ground view and then we can rotate this. So rotate this model. Now in this model we can see we have a circle on a plane and then we have already created a 3D profile on any other plane. So how we have created this? We will cover this later when we will know about datum planes. So we are going to create a pad that is up to this next surface. So in this types of situation we can use this reference option. So I click on this pad tool. And then, so in the profile, since we have already a sketch, so we don't need to create any sketch. Click on this window of selection profile and then go to this circle and click on this circle. So now we have selected this circle and right now we can see this direction is going in the leftward. But we want to make this pad onto the rightward direction. So click on this reverse. So the direction is changed. And then in the type option, click on this arrow and click on up to next. Click on this and now in this preview it is showing it has created a pad up to the next surface. Click on this preview and click OK. And now we have a better view of this pad. So let's rotate this like this. So we have created a pad that is up to next surface. So in this way we have taken the references. Once again go to file option and click on open. This time I will select up to last. Select this and click on open. And then go to ground. So in this profile we can see we have a circle and then we have two pad. It means we have two 3D profiles. And I am going to create a pad that is up to next reference. So I go to pad option. So I go to pad option. In this pad we need to select a profile. So click on this profile and click on this circle. Now the direction is going in the left. Click on reverse direction. And then click on this type and go to up to last. Click on this up to last and click on this preview. So basically in this option it has taken the last reference. So this 3D profile is the first reference and this is the second reference and this is the last reference. So it has selected a profile that is up to the last reference and click OK. So if I rotate this, we can have a better view of this pad. So in this way we can create the reference pad. So once again I go to file option and click on open. So next option is we have up to plane. So select this up to plane and click on open. Click ground. So in this we have a sketch and then we have a datum plane. So let me rotate this geometry to have a better view. So I am going to create a pad that is up to this next reference. So these two sketches and this plane are different plane. So if I go to this top view from here, we can see this is the sketch and this is the plane. So once again I go to isometric view and then go to pad option, select this profile and select this complete profile. In the type go to up to plane. And now we have to select the plane up to which we want to create this pad. So I select this plane. Now we can see this plane 1 is highlighting when I take the mouse onto this plane. So select this plane 1 and click on preview and click OK. So in this way we have created a pad that is up to this plane. To have a better view of this, I go to this top view from here, click on top view, and now we can see this pad has been created up to this plane. So the last option in this pad option is up to a surface. So go to open and select this up to surface and click open. Click on ground. So in this we have a profile. So we have a 3D and then we have a sketch. And I want to create a pad up to this next surface. So I go to this option of pad and then let's rotate this first to have a better view like this, and then zoom in. Drag this and then in the selection profile select this rectangle, and then in the type I select this option of up to surface. And now we have to select the surface up to which we want to create this pad. So first let's rotate this and then select this surface. Click on this surface and then click OK. So now in this way we have created a pad that is up to this next surface.